I'm Nikki Fox, project scientist for NASA's Parker Solar Probe, and this is Solar 60. I'm here at Astrotech's Space Operations Clean Room, and with me is Justin Kasper, the principal investigator for the Solar Wind Electrons, Alphas, and Proton suite, or as we like to call it, SWEAP. Now, there are a number of instruments on our spacecraft, but we always refer to one as the bravest little instrument. Why is that?
Well, Nikki, most of the instruments are mounted so they are in the shadow cast by the heat shield. But the solar probe cup's mounted so it can have a full view of the sun at all times. All of the questions Parker Solar Probe will investigate need the basic properties of the solar wind and solar corona. Just think of a weather station on Earth. We need to know how fast the wind is flowing, which way it's headed, what the pressure is. Now, the solar wind flows radially away from the sun, so if we just relied on instruments behind the heat shield, we'd miss most of the story. That's why our little solar probe cup has to brave being exposed directly to the sun throughout the mission.
And just how hard was it to achieve this?
We knew it'd be hard at the start, and then it just got harder the more we learned about operating an instrument and a spacecraft this close to the sun. Over the course of an orbit, the solar probe cup changes in temperature from 100 degrees below zero to more than 1,500 degrees above. When it's closest to the sun, the cup is actually so hot it'll be glowing orange. Normal metals would just vaporize, so we have to use special metals and alloys, like the tungsten you would find in a light bulb, or alloys normally used for rocket engines. We have to have a hole in the front of the cup to let the solar wind in, so it gets very hot inside, and we need to charge parts of the instrument to very high voltages, which would cause most insulators to just melt. We figured out how to machine sapphire crystals that can stand high voltage at these temperatures. This all required a great deal of testing and collaboration to do right.
Wow, that is quite a story. Well, we can't wait to see what this brave little instrument tells us about the sun's atmosphere. That's all from the Clean Room at Astrotech. I'm Nikki Fox, and this is Solar 60.